Welcome to our channel of reviews for indispensable kitchen utensils. Today, we're going to talk about the amazing Carote 21 cookware set. But first, don't forget to subscribe to the channel to stay up to date with all the news. Leave your like to help us grow, and watch until the end to check out all the details of this thorough review. To make it easier, we have left a secure link to the site that sells this Carote 21 cookware set in the description. The Carote 21 PCS detachable handle pots and pan set, non-stick induction cookware, removable handle, RV oven safe cookware, Midnight Black, has an overall rating of 4.4 out of 5 stars, based on 15,269 reviews. This cookware set stands out for its compact design and space-saving features. Thanks to the detachable handles, the pieces can be stacked neatly, saving up to 70% of cupboard space, which is especially advantageous for small kitchens or limited storage areas. Another positive aspect is the ease of cleaning. The granite non-stick coating on the pans makes it easy to remove food residues, significantly reducing the effort required for cleaning. Additionally, the set is multifunctional, allowing use on various types of hobs, in the oven, on the grill, and even in the refrigerator, thanks to the detachable handles that provide maximum versatility. In terms of quality, the set offers rapid and even heat transfer, ensuring efficient cooking performance without compromising the non-stick properties, similar to other products from the Carote brand. The set also undergoes a strict quality inspection process, and the company offers a service guarantee that promises a full refund or replacement in case of defects caused by shipping. However, there are some negative points to consider. The durability of the detachable handles might be a concern in the long term, depending on the frequency of use and maintenance care. Additionally, the non-stick coating, although effective, may wear out over time with continuous use, especially if proper usage and cleaning instructions are not followed. In summary, the Carote 21 PCS cookware set offers an intelligent design and space-saving solution, ease of cleaning, and versatility in usage, all with good cooking quality. Despite some concerns about the long-term durability, particularly of the detachable handles and non-stick coating, the product provides excellent value for money for those seeking a practical and efficient cookware set for everyday use. Leave your opinion about this Carote 21 cookware set in the comments, and if you have any questions, write them down so I can respond. If you've watched until now, don't forget to leave your like, subscribe to the channel, and activate the bell so you won't miss any new videos.